Check out this 2010 Lexus IS 250. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. Why worry about high mileage? Choosing a ride with lower mileage is the right choice for your busy life. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission, GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.